There are a lot of things they don't teach you in school about how to start a photography business. Take it from me, I studied photography for 8 years and still had to teach myself so many things about how to run a business, like how to write a contract, how to file my taxes, how to start an LLC, how to hire independent contractors, and so many other things. So I created this course to fill in all of those gaps. I've taken all of the information I've learned throughout all these years of education and trial and error and compiled it into this online course called Jumpstart Your Photography Biz. The course is made up of a series of workshop-style video lessons along with prompts and activities for you to complete along the way. There are a total of 19 lessons split up into 6 different modules: pre-validating and naming, business formation, business formalities, pricing and packages, marketing, and operations. After each module, there's a short quiz to make sure you absorbed all of the content. The self-paced course is available 24/7 through the student portal, so you can access it whenever it's convenient for you. You also get lifetime access, which means you can retake any of the lessons whenever you need a refresher. The one-time payment of $95 includes 3 hours of lessons and a 52-page workbook with assignments, resources, prompts, and more. The first 20 students to register for the course will also get a package mailed to their door with a printed workbook, pencil, and some other goodies. By the time you complete this course, you will have all the resources and guidance you need to successfully launch your business without years and years of trial and error. I hope to see you in the course!